Hey love, welcome and thanks for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with essential twists for branding and business. And today we are going to learn what is marketing and how do you do it. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, then continue watching. So the word marketing sometimes I feel can be very intimidating, especially if you are just starting out. The word marketing used to be very intimidating to me until I found out that marketing is simply sharing. And you are sharing one of two things or both of these things. So you are either sharing your story or you are sharing a solution to a problem that you have solved, or you're simply sharing both. But regardless of what it is that you do share, you want to make sure that you share consistently. And I cannot stress that enough. Share consistently. But how do you do it? How do you share? Well, just simply share in a way that comes natural to you. So is that writing? Is that speaking? Is that being in front of a video? What's the best way to share that comes natural to you? So in order to find that out, just ask yourself, how do you like to express yourself? Better yet, what's one way you already express yourself? So a little bit about my backstory. About a year ago, I created a account on TikTok, and it was called Letters to My Love. And I am a big old school romantic. I'm the romantic that loves to watch those old movies, those period movies where two lovers would be, corresponding with each other through letters, because that was our form of communication back then, right? And just watching the two people write the letter and then wait to receive the return letter. There's just something so rich and intimate about writing a letter to somebody and then waiting to receive it. I remember back in the day in school, I used to love writing letters to my friends, and I used to love receiving the letter back. There's just something very rich about that and having that connection with somebody. So I decided to create an account on TikTok and start expressing my love to my love and expressing just love to love itself. And I really loved doing it. I created all of my stuff on my number one editing platform called Canva. And I wrote these letters, but I did it in a video format. So it was cool because I didn't show my face at all. So I didn't have to worry about, being seen or anything like that. But I really created this rich, intimate community with other people that were in love with what I was sharing. And I stayed engaged with my community, and it was really awesome. So unfortunately, the account was banned because my content was very erotic and sensual, and I refused to censor myself, as I was just being very true and staying very honest to what it is that I had to share. So unfortunately it was banned, but c'est la vie, we're moving on to different ways of expressing our love. But that's basically all I did, is I was sharing our love story. I was sharing my love, and that's all I did. That was my form of marketing. So, and then again, I did it in a way that came very natural to me, a way that I already express myself, and a way that I enjoy to express myself is through written word. So that's really all marketing is. So again, you're going to focus on either sharing your story or sharing a solution to a problem that you have solved, and you're sharing one of those two things or both of those things consistently, and then you're going to share in a way that comes natural to you. Okay, so if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, go ahead and click the link below and subscribe. And also, if you are ready to design your content or create your content on a platform that is super user-friendly, very easy to navigate with a ton of access to images and videos, you can go ahead and click the link below and get started with Canva, which is, again, my number one go-to editing platform, and start sharing your story or sharing your solution to a problem that you have solved today. All right, so other than that, thank you so much for tapping in. And remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video.